Hi, I'm Jesse, owner at Resurfacing Solutions, and I have a few questions for you. Would you like to make $3,000 to $5,000 or more per week? Would you like to set your own schedule? Do you want the ability to take time off when you want to take time off and not have to ask for permission? Do you want to be your own boss? If you answered yes to one or any of these questions, then I have a very unique business opportunity that I would like to present to you that can make all of these things possible.
Owning your own refinishing and restoration business is a very profitable business to be in. We offer our customers an alternative to costly and time-consuming renovations. Simply put, all of our epoxy finishes will help people save time and money. If it's restoring an old bathtub, a set of kitchen countertops, bathroom tops, tile surfaces, sinks, you name it, we can refinish it, we can restore it at up to 70% less than replacing these surfaces. We are going to show you how to step by step start your business, market your business, and operate your very own refinishing and restoration business. Our detailed manual, training videos, ongoing tech support and troubleshooting, along with opportunities for hands-on, on-the-job training, will have you running a successful refinishing and restoration business in no time. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You are going to have to work. We are simply passing down to you years of knowledge and experience so that you can have your business up and running very quickly.
So if you're ready to work hard and have an opportunity to make great money, set your own hours, be your own boss, then fill the form out below and I'll reach out to you personally and we'll talk more about this incredible business opportunity.